Okay, I also received some mails about combination and permutations, but the good part was that the level in class was quite high about this topic, so I decided to pick a more advanced question. So I think this is like 600 question. And what are we gonna do? The question is as follows: the music consists of the music class consists of 4 girls and 7 boys. How many? So how many? You directly know. Okay, we have to deal with a combination question. How many ways can a group of 3 be formed if it has to include at least 1 boy? Okay, so we have to deal with the combination question, and the second question you always ask yourself is order important. You think about this guy, is it important? And when you form a group of 3 who is going to be like in a class, is order important? No, order is not important, so we have to deal with combinations here. Okay, and there are 2 ways to solve this question. There is a fast way, and the normal way. And I will start with the normal way because that also is good for practicing your combination tricks, and then after that I will explain the fast way as well. Okay, so how many ways can a group of 3 be formed? It has include at least 1 boy. So that is like boy, 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 girl, and boy, girl, girl. Those are the only 3 options we can have. So we have 3 different situations. Okay, let's start with the first situation. Boy, boy, boy. So that is quite easy. So we're gonna pick 3 boys out of 7. So we got 7 NCR 3, which is 7 times 6 times 5 divided by 3 times 2. I already canceling out in my head about the whole formula, and of course 3 times 2 cancels out 6, so we get 7 times 5 divided by 1, which is 35. So then we go to the second situation, and there we got boy, boy, girl. So we're gonna pick 2 boys from 7 times 1 girl out of 4. So 4 NCR 1. 7 over 2, so that's 7 times 6 divided by 2 times 1 times 4 NCR 1 is easy, that's of course only 4. So we got 7 times 6 is 42 divided by 2, so that's 21. 21 times 4 is 84, so this one is 84. And then we go to the last situation, and that is boy, girl, girl. So we're gonna pick 1 boy out of 7, which is easy, that is of course just 7, and times the possibilities to pick 2 girls out of 4, which is 4 times 3 divided by 2 times 1 by 2, so which is 6. So 7 times 6, that is 42. So those are the 3 different situations. We gotta add them up. So 5 plus 4 plus 2 is 1 here. So 4 plus 8 plus 4 is 16. So we got 161 possibilities. Answer C. Definitely doable. I think also definitely doable within 3 minutes to add those 3 situations. But now let's make life more easy. And I'm gonna give you a tip which we used where we were dealing with probability. So maybe you still remember the probability rule we discussed in class, which was 1 minus b, like it's not happening. And we can use this now in the combination part. We can use it for like 1 minus the combination part where all girls. Because the question is, if we go on top again. The question is at least one boy, so that's the same as 1 minus all girls. So when you see in a question, that's the same for probability. When you see something like at least, then you should definitely think about the 1 minus b rule. So what is the 1 here? That's the total. So what's the total? The total combinations you can have is, I think, not that hard. As we go back to the question, we're gonna pick 3 out of 11. So we got 11 NCR3. That's the total, which is 11 times 10 times 9 divided by 3 times 2 times 1. So this becomes, so we got 110. We're gonna make 110 times 9. Can this be more easy? Yeah, we can make life a little bit more easy. Like 1.5 here. 1.5. So 160 times 1.5 is 100. 110 plus half of that, which is 55. So 165. So 165 in total. So 165 are the total combinations. So total is 165. 165 minus that there were only girls. And how many combinations are only girls? That is 4 NCR3. So we're gonna only pick 3 girls out of 4. That is an easy one. That is 4, of course. So 165 minus 4 is 161 as well. So that is the fast way. Just the total minus only girls. And we got a tip from the GMAT when they stated the question and there was at least one boy. So then you know, hey, we can use the probability trick here in the combination part as well. But nevertheless, you can also solve it the normal way with situations and then adding them up. That will also give you answer C.